back to my channel. Today I wanted to go ahead and review two palettes from Wet n Wild. These are very talked about. I've seen a lot of reviews on it, people who love it and people who don't like it. I mean, the famous one is the Rose in the Air because, you know, it's comparable to the ABH Modern Renaissance that everybody owns except me. So, and then the other one is the Not a Basic Peach. So yeah, Wet n Wild has new shadow palettes out for a while now, and they have quads as well, and these are the big ones. So yeah, I used a little bit of both. I mostly used the Not a Peach one, and then I used that burnt orange from the Rose in the Air one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video before you leave, and yeah, I'll see you when we're done. So like I mentioned in the intro, I wanted to be using these two guys right here. I tried to do a first impression of them, but the video came out really bad, so that's why they're already opened. I already primed my eyes with my NYX concealer. I used them to like clean up my brow as well. So from the Not a Basic Peach palette, I'm gonna be using this color right here for my transition shade. It does have a couple. So I'm gonna start with this one first with one of my fluffiest blending brushes, not too dense for the crease. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this one from the same palette, same brush. And these are very pigmented, so you do want to use a light hand on them. So if you usually hold your pencil here, try loosening it up a little bit by holding it back, way back. I have very hooded eyes, so everything I do has to be a little bit higher than normal. That way when I look forward you can see my shadow and not like disappear. Another blending brush, I just want to blend that all together so it's not so harsh. Now I want to take this orange one here from the Not a Peach palette. I'm still using the same blending brush. I'm gonna put it right where the lid starts. Like right, tucking it in right where my eyeball ends. That little area, I guess that could be your true crease. Like I'm keeping it in and out here too. Being a little bit more careful. These are really pigmented. Like I'm kind of shook, to be honest. With a blending brush again that we used, I'm gonna go on the outer parts. Now I want to go with a little bit darker on the crease. So you want to take a small tiny blending brush. I'm going to use this tiny one that came in a palette that I had. I'm going with the Rose in the Air one. I'm going to take that dark burnt orange here. This color is so nice. And we're going to keep it dark there a little bit. We won't do too much blending, but add little by little because these ones are very pigmented. I think I've said that like 10 times already. Not too harsh. So very carefully because this can ruin everything. I'm gonna take my little angle brush and my concealer and the one that I use for my brows and my eyeshadow base, and I just wanna get it right in the kind of halfway. So put way too much on your brush because you might make a mess. You don't have to set it. Sometimes shadows will stick just fine. So the peach one has this cute, where is it? Here, this shimmer. You see that? It's like metallic orange. I want to put that all over my lid. With my little Real Technique brush that looks a little stained from my previous adventures. I'm gonna spray some setting spray, any setting spray, and go ahead and take some of that, and then we'll go with our finger as well. after to make it more intense if we have to. Right now there's like a tint of orange, but it's mostly glitter. I think I'm gonna go ahead and darken up the crease. In the rosé in the air, that burnt orange we used again. Bring some back on there. It's very subtle. You can definitely get a lot more intensity if you just don't blend as much. I'm gonna take that burnt orange again from Rosé in the Air. The outer corner here, not all the way in. And from the Peach palette, I'm gonna take that dark brown, a little bit on the outer corner. I'm gonna take that burnt orange again and some more because I feel like we lost it. From the Rosé in the Air, I want to take this champagne. You see how it shimmers? It's very nice. I'm gonna take that on my brow bone, just the top and in the corner. Well, it looks so crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll come back and we'll do wing and lashes and then a face, and yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, I got one eye done. I'm using the e.l.f. little liquid liner, a little brush like this. So I have a new mascara to try out. This is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. But yeah, let me open this seal real quick and I'll be right back. Honestly, I don't mind drugstore stuff having this sort of packed seal because we all know you girls like swatching everything. Like I hate buying stuff at the grocery store. I hate buying stuff at the drugstore and then seeing the seals open because people are freaking swatching shit left and right. Like, go to Ulta for that. Go to Sephora. Like, I hate that. Okay, so this is in black, and it says yes, has 6-month shelf life. I doubt I'll be throwing it away in 6 months, but I love the bristles on this. They're very fluffy, not too big, so yeah, let me see how this works. Are they worth the hype? I mean, why would you put yourself up to failure like that, naming something like that? Right away, it is making my lashes fluffier. I'm having trouble like grabbing the lash. It's kind of like just combing it. So I don't see much lengthening, but I do see a lot of like, you know, a full lash, so that's kind of nice too. I mean, I already have very short lashes, so it's already something hard to do for any mascara out there. Well, I really like that. I like the stuff. Yeah, it was like $6 too. Volumizing and lengthening mascara. Well, I didn't read that part, but it definitely did volumize, and it did kind of lengthen even though I have big liner on. You see them? Do I look stupid? This doesn't work. Alright, I'm just gonna do my face. I'm gonna speed through most of it. You guys already, if you see my other videos, you know the kind of products I like to use and stuff like that. I do want to film my favorites or my holy grail or whatever after this video, so yeah, look out for that one, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed up. Okay guys, my face is about done. I realized I didn't put any lashes on, so I'm gonna have to do that real quick right now. I'm gonna use my Ardell Wispies, the mink one. I know there's two here. It's the regular Wispy and the mink one at the bottom. So yeah, let me just put one on and I'll be right back and then we'll see what kind of lip we do. I just did that lip liner with the NYX Natural, so yeah. Oh my god, I just ripped off my lash. Oh my god, good. I'm really loving how this turned out. Look at that. So good. The highlight went wild. I wish I could wear lashes every day. When it comes to work, I'm like the laziest person. Oh my god, they like touch almost my brows, like it tickles. For my lips, I have this cute little NARS crayon that I got for like a birthday gift, you know, at Sephora. It's a satin finish, but it's so moisturizing and nice. Yeah, I need to go see if they sell more of these because these are so cute. This is again like a little sample version, like the birthday gift, you know. Yeah, there you go guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section if you really like that. Alright, let me know what you think of this look down in the comments. Please don't forget to leave me a like so that I know you watched and you liked. And don't forget to subscribe. I would love to grow my channel a little bit more, and I'll see you on the next video if you're here.